Ready? 1, 2,
3,
and 3. Here it comes. Oh, look. There it is. He's got a carrot. It's going to fall, but he's got a carrot.
Carrot. I want to eat the carrot.
Well, there you go. Have at it. Aiden, do you like carrots?
Yep.
Do you want some of this? No.
This is awesome.
What?
Like brownie and cookie. Cookie. I love this carrot.
Grab the highlight. Only got 6 roll rocks left. How many you want?
This is called carrot tea.
Go ahead and take out some dressing and what you want of that.
I'm gonna be the first one done.
Sorry, the corn nugget's too hot. Didn't make it.
I'm gonna be the first one done, Sissy.
It's on the table.
You like the ham?
Yep, it was
You
good.
like the turkey?
Yep, it was good.
It was
Is
awesome.
that Cajun turkey?
Yeah.
Is both of them Cajun?
Both of them are Cajun. I went ahead and did it.
Hey, I got some cream on
I
me.
was going
This
to smoke the
is
other one, but I decided
delicious.
not to.
Yeah. Not again.
Who you call, Bubba?
Mom.
That's right.
I did not, Mom. I'm giving it one small piece. One more small piece.
Okay.
One more small big enough. I got one more small piece.
It's hard to cut. You need help?
No, I got it.
These actually, I think these are corn. Yeah, these are
I have some when I get done with this.
What?
I'm going to have that when I get done with this.
Well, you get done with that, and then we'll see if you're still hungry.
I cut one by myself. You got one by yourself. Got. What is that stuff?
What are you eating?
Cake.
Alright.
Cake?
So that's homemade pumpkin
What
pie.
kind of cake?
Carrot.
Carrot cake.
I'm just saying. That's Carla's secret recipe or whatever.
What are you doing?
I back this up and up and up and up and up and then up and up.
Have your mouth. Have your mouth. Thank you. Tell the camera bye.